Welcome to our roundup of the best reciprocating saws of 2026, rugged, powerful cutting tools built to handle a wide range of demolition, remodeling, and cutting tasks. Whether you're working on pruning trees, cutting PVC pipe, removing drywall, framing, or tearing out old lumber and metal, a reliable reciprocating saw can make tough jobs faster and easier. From home renovations to construction sites, this tool is often the go-to choice when strength and versatility matter most. Today's saws come with improved battery systems, variable speed triggers, ergonomic grips, vibration control, safety features, and durable blades that help you work with greater precision and confidence. We've selected some of the top models based on performance, build quality, ease of use, durability, and overall value. Let's take a closer look at what makes each reciprocating saw stand out. Starting with the Craftsman V20 reciprocating saw. This model is a strong entry-level cordless option that gives you dependable cutting power without the bulk of a cord. Designed for everyday tasks around the house or on the job site, it handles wood, plastic, and light metal with ease. The cordless design improves portability and allows you to work in tight spots, outdoor spaces, or areas without direct access to outlets. Its lightweight feel and balanced grip make it easy to control, especially for overhead or awkward cuts. The variable speed trigger gives you better control at the start of each cut, helping improve accuracy. Users appreciate its simple operation, solid runtime, and consistent performance for general demolition, repairs, and DIY projects. Next up is the CZI Cordless Reciprocating Saw, a versatile tool that blends power with convenience. Powered by a reliable battery system, this saw delivers steady cutting action and responsive variable speed control, making it useful for a wide range of cutting jobs. Its ergonomic handle and compact build help reduce fatigue during longer tasks, which is especially helpful when working outdoors or on ladders. The quick blade change mechanism makes swapping blades faster and more efficient, allowing you to switch between wood and metal applications with minimal downtime. Whether you're trimming branches, cutting bolts, slicing through lumber, or handling light renovation work, this model offers a practical balance of power, portability, and user-friendly design. Moving on to the WRX Cordless Reciprocating Saw. This option focuses on performance and ease of use. Known for its smooth cutting action and responsive control, it's a solid choice for DIYers and hobbyists who want reliable power without unnecessary complexity. The cordless design offers excellent freedom of movement, while variable speed settings let you adapt to different materials more easily. Users often highlight its comfortable grip and lightweight design, which make extended use more manageable and reduce strain during longer projects. It performs well for everyday demolition, trimming, remodeling, and yard maintenance tasks, making it a dependable mid-range choice for regular home use. Stepping up in strength and sustained performance, the SKL 13-amp corded reciprocating saw delivers powerful cutting capability without the limitations of battery life. Its robust 13-amp motor provides strong torque and consistent speed, making it highly effective for heavier-duty cutting tasks like slicing through thick lumber, cutting metal pipes, or handling intensive demolition work. The corded design ensures you won't run out of power mid-job, which is especially important for large renovation projects. Its balanced weight distribution and ergonomic handle improve control and stability during prolonged use. For users who prioritize raw power, steady performance, and continuous runtime, this model offers impressive capability at an accessible price point. Taking the top spot for overall capability, versatility, and performance is the Makita 18V brushless cordless recipro saw. This model combines the mobility of a cordless saw with the advanced efficiency of a brushless motor, delivering powerful cutting performance and longer runtime per charge. Its variable speed trigger and ergonomic design make it comfortable to handle, even during demanding tasks. The brushless motor provides excellent torque, faster cutting speeds, improved durability, and greater battery efficiency compared to traditional brushed motors. The compact yet sturdy build allows you to work comfortably in tight or awkward spaces while maintaining strong cutting force. Professional contractors and serious DIYers appreciate its balance of power, durability, smooth operation, and long-term reliability, making it a top pick for a wide range of cutting applications. All of these reciprocating saws serve different needs and user levels. The Craftsman V20 reciprocating saw offers solid entry-level cordless performance for everyday tasks. The CZI Cordless Reciprocating Saw brings a practical mix of power and portability. The WRX Cordless Reciprocating Saw focuses on smooth operation and user-friendly design. The SKIL 13-amp corded reciprocating saw provides strong, sustained corded performance for heavy-duty projects. And the Makita 18V brushless cordless Recipro saw delivers the highest level of power, efficiency, and versatility overall. That wraps up our list of the best reciprocating saws of 2026, from reliable household tools to professional-grade models built for tough jobs. Whether you're upgrading your toolbox, tackling a full renovation, managing demolition work, or simply adding a versatile cutting tool to your collection, there's an excellent option here for your needs. Let us know in the comments which reciprocating saw you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next cutting project smoother, faster, and more efficient with the right reciprocating saw this year.